Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's Dexter from DC Tech Mobile Mechanics. Today I'm with Eversure Fitment Center in Alberton North. It's at 60 Van Riebeeck Avenue, and today they are fitting two brand new tires on my BMW 530 diesel. So far they've taken off the old tires with not one scratch. They've put on new tires without a single scratch. Have a look there. And so far, the service has been spectacular. No complaints from my side. The people also have great manners. They do what they're supposed to do what they love doing, and yeah, give them a shout. Pop in for a quote. You won't be disappointed. I know I haven't. Thank you.